So today's my nephew's birthday, my best friend's son, and she's like, hey, you know, we're supposed to be here at 5, so I'm like on my way so we can eat, sing happy birthday, and then go bowling. She calls me just now. She's at the supermarket, and she's like, I'm having contractions, because she's pregnant, very pregnant. She's due early May, but she's been saying for weeks that she thinks the baby's gonna come like mad early. So she's literally having contractions right now, and we're all freaking out because we're like, wait, what? So she literally is praying that her water doesn't break today, because today's her other son's birthday. How crazy is that? So now we're just trying to figure out, like, is she about to have this baby today? So yeah, so that's today's drama. So I'm about to go in the house, and I'm waiting for her to get here with her pregnant self so we can find out what's going on, because she's like, girl, like, they're like legit contractions. First I'm like, wait, are they Braxton Hicks? She's like, no, I think they're like legit. So this is her 3rd child, so she knows what obviously contractions feel like. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. I'm about to go inside and give my nephew his card, and I'll keep you guys posted. Y'all, I did not have a pen, so I had to use my liquid eyeliner I had in my purse. He's gonna be like, what the heck? This is really funny. He's a kid though, he ain't gonna care. Update on the fireplace wall. Full making of this, like how he built this, coming up. But we don't want to put it like completely out there yet until we finish with furniture and stuff. So once she gets furniture, then I will film a full tour of this room.
Guys, I love your hair.
I see, you look so handsome.
Yes.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You're a police officer? Oh, look at that baby mama.
Now, I mean, we did have to get up at like 6 in the morning.
Jesus.
I love him so much. He gives the best faces.
All right, wait, hold on, look. Smile, regular, nice smile. Jax, like this. Come on. Ready? Look, join.
Thank you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julian. Happy birthday to you. Get it. Where'd you go? Oh, he's breakdancing.
Look, stand up. Let me see, go.
My nephew is. Look how stinky cute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How'd you get that? You're so funny. Friday? Today's Friday. So I just filmed a recipe video, which will probably go up next week. I think I'm gonna upload this vlog today because I already have a recipe video up for this week. So I'm trying to stay consistent, you guys, with uploading these videos. I really want to give my channel some love, especially since I have these courses coming out on YouTube. I really want to make sure that I'm representing my brand properly. So I am really working on filming. But with that being said, this video that I'm gonna post next week is a recipe video for the Instant Pot. I got my Instant Pot last year. I had an audition with QVC, which I actually landed. Nothing's happened yet, but it was the Instant Pot was part of my audition. So I purchased the Instant Pot to prepare myself for my audition. So I've only used the Instant Pot like once or twice. Once for a video I did last year around the time of quarantine. I thought it was like the perfect time for it. And then obviously during my audition. So I have not had a chance to play around with the Instant Pot. So in this video, it may seem like I'm a little rusty. So I kind of wanted to just like, not that I'm pointing it out, but more so like address it, because I'm noticing like, yeah, it doesn't look like I know what I'm doing. But I do, I promise. It's just been so long since I've used it, but I wanted to really do a recipe with the Instant Pot. How did my, oh my gosh, my liner. My liner's coming off, just FYI, because I took my lashes off earlier. But I just wanted to come on here and say that real fast. Also, the reason why I'm cooking with all vegan or vegetarian, I don't want to say vegan, but vegetarian products, is because I have recently changed the way that I eat. So for the most part, I'm going to mostly be eating plant-based. I'm not becoming a vegan. I've gone back and forth with this for years. You guys know this on my channel. Sometimes I just go on this thing where I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be completely vegetarian or plant-based this week or whatever. But I've been really learning my body, and what really helps me lose weight and helps with my PCOS is going completely plant-based or close to it. That is when I lose the most weight. I feel like the keto diet it works for me, but it's a temporary fix. So for me, I feel like a full lifestyle change is what's working for me. Last year I fasted, and I did like a full-blown Daniel fast, like full vegetarian Daniel fast, and I lost so much weight. And I didn't do it for weight loss reasons. I did it for spiritual reasons, but I realized that that's when I felt my best. So I feel like a plant-based lifestyle is kind of what really helps me with my PCOS. Also, I found out last year, I was in the hospital for like a week. I had really bad intestine issues and stuff like that, and I found out that my liver, I had a fatty liver, and I had like fatty liver disease, but I hadn't really paid it much attention, and they didn't really stress the importance of taking care of that. When I was in the hospital, I thought that was kind of odd. My colonoscopy, everything came back clear, but they couldn't figure out why I was having like a swollen intestines and stuff. So I'm putting two and two together over this past year, and I'm realizing it's what I'm eating. So I have completely, let me not even say that. I have almost cut out dairy completely. I haven't 100%, but I am almost there. I can't even sit here, I'm not gonna lie to y'all and tell y'all I haven't had cheese this week. I had Impossible Burger today with cheese, so there goes that. But for the most part, I don't consume dairy anymore. I've cut out gluten, except for today. I think the Impossible Burger bun probably had gluten in it. But you know, I told myself I wasn't going to completely deprive myself of things because it wasn't realistic for me to just go cold turkey. I have to do this kind of gradually. So I'll probably eat not plant-based once or twice a week, but the rest of the week eat plant-based, just because mentally it's what's working for me. To go cold turkey is kind of hard, and I'm just kind of easing myself into it. I don't know if I'll ever be 100% plant-based, probably won't, but I am definitely a majority of a plant-based eater. What I'm finding with myself is that I'll go on a binge and I'll eat like all the stuff that we offer here in Jersey. And if you're from Jersey, you know, pizza, mozzarella fries, hoagies, cheesesteaks, all those things in this tri-state area can really take you out. And I don't eat steak. I haven't eaten steak in years. I'm talking like years and years and years. But I eat mostly, like, if I do eat meat, it's chicken or turkey. I'm a big seafood eater these days. I don't know why, but I'm loving seafood. So that's why I don't think I could ever be 100% plant-based, but I like to eat majority plant-based. And when I'm not, I'll eat chicken or turkey or fish or something like that. So I told myself 1 to 2 days a week, I will have these things so that I'm not going out on a binge for a week straight trying them later, you know? Like, it's a mental thing with me, so I'm working on that. But I wanted to kind of address it in this vlog because you're gonna see that a lot moving forward. If you watch my vlogs and videos, you're gonna see me eating majority plant-based or more healthy because I'm actually trying to heal my liver. Now, when it comes to that, I actually do watch what I eat. I'm not going crazy, but I watch what I eat now because I have been having liver pains for about a year and some change now. And I never knew they were liver pains until I went to the hospital and they told me, like, you have a fatty liver. So I've been getting, for a year and some change now, I've been having migraines, seeing black spots. I thought I had like a detached retina. I thought that my migraines were coming from my vertigo that I get. All of those things are from my liver being bad, supposedly. So, because I've been to an ear, nose, and throat doctor. I've been checked for everything. I've gone to the eye doctor for my eyes. For the whole black spot thing. I've gone to the ear, nose, and throat for vertigo. Like, I've tried everything and nobody could figure it out. Me being in the hospital for a week, no one could figure it out. And once I started extensively doing research, I found out that it was my liver, and these are symptoms from your liver, from having fatty liver disease or liver issues. So, and this can all come from PCOS, which is so crazy. PCOS can literally cause you to have fatty liver disease. I have a few books that I recently got where I read that, and I'm like, it's all coming together. It's just making sense. So if you have PCOS, it is so important to take care of yourself. Please, please, please change your lifestyle, how you eat. If you're not already eating healthy, change it, because it's a game changer once you switch up with how you eat. I've noticed, even not to be TMI, if there's any men listening, you may not want to hear this part, but I've even noticed a difference in my periods from the food that I'm eating. So when I'm eating better, my periods are much, much better. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to come on here and say that. I'm gonna do a full in-depth video. I probably will film it next week on everything I've been doing to take better care of myself with PCOS, the supplements I've been taking. The longer I've had it, the more I've learned about it. I've done videos over the years of trying different programs and things, but like, this is what's working for me, and I'm learning that like it's more of a lifestyle change than a program fad or any kind of like random diet. So that's all I wanted to say. This video is already 10 minutes long. So now this is going to be a long vlog, but I just wanted to come on here and say that. Stay tuned for a video addressing my whole PCOS journey, and stay tuned next week for this video, this vegan chili video. All right, guys, thank you so much. Love you. I'll talk to you in my next vlog. Oh, and real quick, the hair. This is my natural hair. I messed it up last night and I cut it too short on this side, so I know it probably looks a little cray-cray. This side was a little longer. It's also like puffy in the back, so it just looks a real uneven right now. So if you're seeing this and you're like, what is going on with your hair? I probably wasn't paying attention probably, but now you are, because I pointed it out. But yeah, I don't care. It's gonna grow back. I didn't mean to cut it this short on one side. It was kind of an accident. So now I have uneven hair. What are you gonna do, right? Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.